Hey everybody, it's Nicole, and today is another unboxing. And today I am going to be unboxing an order of Premier yarn that I actually ordered on Herrschners because I wanted to do a price comparison to see if there was a price difference between the two sites. And while there is a slight difference, the yarns are slightly different. The gauge is obviously the weight is larger, mainly because of the projects I wanted to work on, but I still wanted to see if there was a price difference. So first off, I wanted to say thank you for those of you that keep coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. And just because I always find it so shocking that I have so many of you that keep coming back. And I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And then second off, it would mean a great deal to me if you would watch the videos from beginning to end. It does help me out if you do watch the videos from beginning to end. I'm trying to work on keeping the videos shorter-ish because I know I tend to ramble, but I feel like sometimes it's me having a conversation with you. So I like to talk to people, and so for me it's like a conversation that I'm having with you, even though it's kind of not, if that makes sense. So this order is an order that I made about a month and a half, almost 2 months ago, and it's Premier yarn. I believe it's only Premier yarn. So we're gonna go through and see what I ordered, and then and I'll kind of give you an idea of what I believe I remember the price difference was. I think for the most part, the price difference was about 50 cents to $1 per skein. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through with you on what I ordered, and hopefully you like what you see. A lot of it is it's this 6 or super bulky weight. So just because and I've said this before, I've noticed a lot of amigurumis that have been using larger super bulky yarn. So I just kind of it didn't make any sense to me as to why, but I mean, I get why, because people are making them into plushies for maybe for children, or just, I mean, who doesn't like, you know, really soft plushies? So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up and see what I ordered. Okay, so first off, I ordered is 2 skeins of this. This is the Parfait XL. It's 87 yards or 80 meters, 100% polyester, and it is machine wash, warm, lay flat to dry, and this is actually jumbo 7. I've never seen 7 before, so this is first. So color is light brown. It's really soft, and this I ordered because they have there is a pattern that I want to make with this. It's a big, huge pineapple. So this is one of the colors, and it would be like literally larger than the size of my head. It would be something that you'd be able to like lay on as a pillow. So I got 2 skeins of this, and it says the hook size is P, which I do have a size P hook. All right, next is I got 2 same thing. It's the Parfait XL in the color Sage. And the nice thing is that with the pattern, it told me how many skeins of each color that I needed. So, which is always nice. I know that Hobby does the same thing with their patterns. They tell you how many skeins or the colors that you need for each color, so you know what to order, which is always nice, because sometimes you don't know. You just kind of have to guess. So it's nice. So both of these are tested and approved. It's Oko text, sorry. So I got 2 of these in Sage. And then I got 1 same thing, Parfait XL, Jumbo 7, same hook size, and then again it is in light gray, and I believe it's for the same pattern. This one, I believe there's another pattern that this is for. It's for strawberry. That's also really huge. And I found it on Premier's website. It's a free pattern. So if you want to try to make it, because I think it's a little bit more of a complicated pattern. So I'm going to attempt to make it. Next is I got white, and it says white, and then I got, let's see if it's the same color. Yep. So I got 4 skeins of this color, which is the goldenrod. Which is, I mean, it's a really gorgeous color. This is for the pineapple. It, I believe, is for the body of the pineapple. So it would be stripes of the goldenrod and then the light brown. So it's a really gorgeous pattern, and I think it would be a lot of fun to make for, you know, an older child, like maybe 9-10 years old, to be able to lay on, or even for yourself to lay on as a pillow or whatnot, or as a plushie for somebody who enjoys plushies. So I actually know somebody who probably would really like it. So I did get 4 skeins of this, and then and like I said, each of these were approximately there was maybe about 50 cents to $1 in difference in price. So that's why for this, and plus the other thing is on Premier's website, they did not have all of these colors that I needed for those patterns. So rather than purchase from Premier and from Herrschners, I saw that Herrschners had all of the colors for both of the patterns on their site. So I decided, well, since I would be saving a little bit of money by going that route, I went ahead and I did go ahead and purchase it through there. I do know that, or I believe Herrschners also, or at least I think they're sister company, I think it's Willows, also has a mystery box, but I have yet to see it show up on their site. I know that they have other mystery boxes, but I haven't seen any of their yarn based mystery boxes. So yeah, so that was the goldenrod. And then I also, this is for the strawberry pattern. I got 3 skeins, and this is also 7 jumbo. It's this gorgeous wine color. And so the white is for the strawberry, for the C's, which actually, if you think about it, it should be black, but it will obviously, it wouldn't show up, but white works perfect. If you can see, it really makes it pop. So same thing, it's Okotex, and it's jumbo 7, and then it's a pea-size hook, and I got 3 skeins. So I got it really quick. They shipped fairly quickly, and then I saved some money, and I have been using and I actually also found another app, if you want another way to save some cash, and you don't have to have this particular credit card. Capital One has Capital One shopping. You don't have to have their credit card, but you can add their app along with their widget to your browser, and it also will give you codes, or it will give you rebates, so that it'll activate if it shows that particular website has the ability to save you cash. So for example, I had some packages I need to ship out, and I use PayPal to do my shipping, which in turn uses ShipStation. And the savings is $13. So, well, yes, I do have Capital One as a credit card, but according to the commercials, I don't know if you've seen them, you don't have to have that particular credit card in order to take advantage of saving money using that app. So you just go to the App Store and download it, and then, or you would add the widget to your web browser, and then it'll pop it up onto your web browser, and then it'll allow you to save money that way as well. So, and then it'll list codes and for you to try to use to see if you can save some money that way. So that's all I had for that particular order. I didn't order a whole bunch. And I don't think, there was no invoice, unfortunately, that was included in the box for me to tell you how much I saved. But I really like Premier Yarns. I think that they're a very good yarn company, and there are several things that I have in mind that I would like to use. Now it's just a matter of getting up enough energy to do so. I've been kind of slowly switching from summertime to school time, and it's been taking a little bit of time and energy for me to switch gears. So be patient with me. I'm getting there, and I am hoping that on Sunday I will be opening my Etsy shop, and the plan is to have 5 boxes of each, 5 with mystery resin items and 5 without. And then I'm hoping that for those of you that are interested, you will help me make my Etsy shop a success. Because as I say, I would like to use that money to not only supplement what I use for this channel, but to, you know, obviously, because everything that you see is, it's not given to me. It's not, I'm not gifted it. I'm too small to be affiliated with anybody. I don't have, the only thing I have any sort of affiliate code to is Paduo resin. So if any of you are interested to buy me even a small bottle of resin, you can go to Amazon and search up Paduo, and it's P as in Paul, U, D as in dog, U, O, and it's resin. And they have all different sizes. And while I buy it on the larger side because I do use it as a part of my art therapy, I unfortunately am basically out, which is why you haven't seen me pour any more resin. I am waiting for Wednesday to hopefully buy a little bit more so that I can continue to pour resin for you guys, because I know you guys enjoy it so much. But the code, if you want to, will save you a little bit of money, 10% off. And that is the only affiliate code that I have, and I do receive a little bit of money. And I believe it should work. It's MDLD_13, and I believe you can enter it in when you check out at Amazon, and it'll save you 10%, and then I will get a little bit of money. And I believe they do have a website as well, and then it's on my wish list. I don't expect anybody, you don't have to buy me anything. I'm just kind of putting it out there so that I can continue to show you my art, because I know that it's a very popular segment. So, but I am waiting until I get my disability check so that I can re-up my resin so that I can continue to bring that artwork to you, and then also include that in my mystery boxes, because I not only am going to include that in the mystery boxes, but that is also something that I plan on selling as a separate item as well. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Like, share, all of that fun stuff. And until next time, I will talk to you then. Bye.